Winter is coming, and two titans in the middle European winter tire world are ready to face off: the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV and the all-new Bridgestone Blizzak 6. Michelin's trusted performer, launched in 2018, faces a new challenge from Bridgestone's 2024 release. With its predecessor, the Elmo 05, dominating tests in recent years, can the Blizzak 6 reclaim the winter crown? Let's dive into this intense battle. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV set as the reference point at 100%. On wet roads, the Blizzak 6 shows its strength. It stops 1.2 meters shorter than the Pilot Alpin 5 SUV in wet braking. The Blizzak edges ahead in wet handling, maintaining an average speed of 65.5 kilometers per hour, just 0.1 kilometer per hour faster. In straight-line aquaplaning, the Blizzak 6 holds on longer, resisting aquaplaning at 73.9 kilometers per hour, while the Michelin slips at 72.4 kilometers per hour. When it comes to snow, the competition tightens. The Blizzak 6 manages to brake just 0.2 meters shorter than the Pilot Alpin 5 SUV, proving it's still a force to be reckoned with. However, the Pilot Alpin 5 SUV excels in traction, accelerating marginally faster. In snow handling, Michelin also takes the lead with a speed of 48.8 kilometers per hour, outperforming the Blizzak speed of 47.8 kilometers per hour. On dry pavement, Michelin takes the lead with a 1.7 meters shorter braking distance than the Blizzak 6. Both tires perform identically in dry handling, maintaining a steady speed of 114.5 kilometers per hour, an impressive performance for winter tires. If quietness matters, Michelin delivers. The Pilot Alpin 5 SUV runs quieter, producing 1.5 dB less noise than the Blizzak 6, providing a more serene driving experience. However, the Blizzak 6 fights back with lower rolling resistance coefficient value, measuring at 7.9 compared to Michelin 8.4 value. This difference translates to improved fuel efficiency, making the Blizzak a great choice for long winter drives. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV excels in snow traction, snow handling, and dry braking. On the other hand, the Bridgestone Blizzak 6 excels in wet and rolling resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.